We've just acquired this very rare Mini Cooper SD. This car is unbelievable condition for its age mileage. It is superb, highly spec'd. JCW body kit sets it off straight away. You've got the twin fog lights on the front, quad fog lights. You've got the fog lights at the bottom as well. Stripes are all in good order. Gloss black alloy wheels. Just shut that door so you can follow the body kit. So you can see the body kit styling down there. You don't see many with the JCW body kit. Don't see many coupes. It's got rear park distance control. Full spec list is on our website. It's I think over £6,000 worth. We've got a retractable spoiler here that does go up and down depending on how fast you're going. Just driven this car, it drives fantastic. The service history is absolutely impeccable, and it's just had a brand new clutch and flywheel. Huge boot space for such a small car. John Cooper works on his kick seal plates. Obviously these are a two-seater car. You do have extra storage space. That actually goes through to the boot, I believe. There you go. It's got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, climate control, reverse park sensors, have you seen? 6-speed gearbox. Oh, it's got the all-important chili pack as well. Sport button here to show you the mileage. Let's do that. 93,229 miles. There's lots of little switches here. Do like a good looking Mini. This is priced really low for all the extras it's got on it. DJH, full dealer facilities, so please give us a call if you require any further information. 07 503 751 005. Thank you.